You are not ready to unlock the secret to creating viral YouTube videos in 2025 if you are not doing this. Here is the simple truth. If you focus on a proven strategy, you can build a successful channel without any guesswork. I'm going to show you how to apply this strategy and use this AI tool to create history-themed content that attracts views that I discovered. People love learning about the past, and if you can tell compelling fact-packed series about the past, your channel will gain traction. However, you need more than just a good idea. You need to ensure the content resonates with viewers. So how do you choose a topic that guarantees engagement? To succeed, your topic has to grab attention. Now, how do you find the right history story? Number one, I highly recommend looking at YouTube to see what's working for other creators. Start by searching keywords like history and look at the top performing videos. By analyzing popular topics, you will know exactly what type of content resonates with viewers. And here is how to research ideas. Come to YouTube and type in keywords like history. What you want to do is click on the Shorts tab and take a look at the most performing videos in this niche. 18 million views, 2.5 million views, 19 million views, 5.7 million views. And by studying these videos, you will understand what people are actually watching, and you can replicate the same style for your content. You can also select specific channels and come to shorts and filter by most popular videos. Now, as you research, take note of topics that keep popping up. These are likely the ones that have an audience and are trending. And once you figure out a list of potential ideas, it's time to move to the next step, writing a script. Writing a script is where the magic starts to happen. You've got your idea, now it's time to turn them into a script that keeps your viewers hooked. You can totally write the script yourself, but if you're pressed for time, AI can be of huge help. I personally use ChatGPT to help me craft a script. The beauty of using AI tools, it streamlines the writing process. I simply input my key points, tell it the tone I'm going for, and ChatGPT helps me piece everything together in a way that flows naturally. It's just like having a writing assistant who never gets tired. I will leave this prompt in the description so that you can also use it if you want to create your videos. So with this prompt, the first thing you want to tell the AI to create an engaging script on the specific niche that you have, and here you need to insert a specific topic for that niche. Then from there, you need to insert the targeted audience. Is it history lovers, students, or just the general public? Then from there, what you want to do is you need to insert the tone that the AI tool should follow. Is it something that is dramatic or just educational, something that is suspenseful? From there, you need to approximate how long your video should be. Is it 5 minutes or just 60 seconds? Once you insert the topic, the targeted audience, the tone of your script, and how long you want it to be, the last thing is the focus key points. Now, if you do not know these focus key points, what you can simply do is copy the topic that you have, come to ChatGPT, paste the topic there. From there, tell ChatGPT to write you the key focus points for this topic, which is crazy facts about Queen Cleopatra. Once ChatGPT is done, what you want to do is copy all these key points, come to your prompt, and paste those key points here. And once you paste them like that, what you want to do is copy everything and come to ChatGPT. We'll start a new page and we'll paste our prompt there. From there, we'll click on enter and wait for ChatGPT to write a script for us. And once that is done, all you have to do is edit your script, remove these parts where it says narrator and any unnecessary details. And once the script is ready, this takes us to the next step where we need to generate a full video, and the tool that we're going to use is Vsub AI. You'll find the link in the description. So once you're on Vsub, what you want to do is click on login or get started if you do not have an account. And once we log in, what we want to do is come to this icon that says AI video, and once this interface opens up, the first thing that we need to do is to choose a language. There are multiple languages, but we'll stick to English. Then once that is done, we need to choose a template that we're going to go for. I will select Cartoon 3D. There are 9 different templates. Go for the one that you really love. From here, we need to scroll down. Then we'll come to this part where we need to paste in our script. So go back to ChatGPT and we copy the script, come to Vsub and we'll paste our script here. From here, what we need to do is to put in additional context for image generation. If you want to learn more about how to use this entire tool, there is part 1 of Vsub challenge in the description, which will help you understand all these other key features. So on additional context for image generation, we'll put in keywords like history and history enthusiasm. And from there, what we simply have to do is just click on continue. And from there, we'll wait for the AI to create a video for us, transcribe the audio, generate images, and give us a full video. Okay, so once our video is created, there are a couple of things that I would love us to take a look at. Number one is the content itself. So we've got this image that has been generated and being displayed on our screen. So if we do not like this image, we can click on this button to generate another image. Or if we have a specific image, we can simply click on the change button and upload our image that we would love to use for this particular scene. Then when we scroll down, these other scenes have got two different images. We can choose either of the images. When we come to settings, we can play with the volume of our voice and the pitch of our voice. We can also play with some effects. That's if we want to. So there are only two types of transitions. We've got the smooth transition and the strong wipe transition. So we'll leave it to strong. Then not only that, but we can also come to music, and here we can upload our audio file and we can increase and reduce the volume. Then we can come to subtitle here. Then here we can correct some words if they are misspelled or mismatched. Not only that, but we can come to styles here at the bottom, and this is where we can customize our font to our liking. So we can choose the font style, we can choose the font color, and we can also add some shadows, background, and brighten our text. All those text editing elements can be done here. Then here at the bottom, we can choose the max number of words per line. Then not only that, we can come to templates here. This is where we can choose a specific type of text template that would love to be displayed here on our video. For example, let's go for this one. But once we choose it, it will force the AI to regenerate the video for us and change the fonts, change the emojis that are there. And here at the bottom, we've got some tools, which allows us to upload our own logo. That's if we would love to add a logo on our video. Then not only that, but here, when we scroll at the bottom, we can increase the size of our logo, and we can also play with our opacity by increasing and reducing it. So once that is done, what we can simply do is download the video here at the bottom. And once it's downloaded, this takes us to the next step where we need to upload our video to CapCut and remove every silent part. This helps us to keep the retention of our video very high to avoid those awkward moments in our video. And once that is done, our video is ready to be uploaded on our YouTube channel. So what you simply have to do is keep repeating the same process, upload more videos on your YouTube channel, and you'll definitely see the growth of your channel. With that being said, watch out for part 3 of the Vsub challenge, which is coming very soon. I encourage you to take this step and try out this challenge. YouTube is really worth it. If you did not watch the first video of this challenge, which walks you through the entire process of how Vsub works, you can check it out in the video description below. From here, God bless you. Thank you.
She was Egypt's last pharaoh. But what if I told you Cleopatra wasn't even Egyptian? That's right, Cleopatra was actually of Greek descent from the Ptolemaic dynasty. But she was no ordinary ruler. Cleopatra was brilliant. She spoke multiple languages, mastered politics, philosophy, and even science. And forget what you've heard. It wasn't just her beauty that made her powerful. Cleopatra's intelligence and charisma won over some of Rome's most powerful men for strategic alliances, not romance. She controlled her own narrative, portraying herself as a living goddess to keep her people loyal. And in one of history's wildest flexes, Cleopatra dissolved an insanely expensive pearl in vinegar and drank it, just to prove Egypt's wealth. Her death? A mystery. Some say she let a venomous asp bite her. Others believe she was assassinated. One thing's for sure, her legacy refuses to die. Cleopatra remains one of the most fascinating women in history.